So for exercise 1.10 in the course book, we'll look at divisibility tests to find factors easily. So there is a way to look for whether a number can be divided by, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, whether it's divisible by all of these except for the number 7. Okay, there's no simple test for divisibility by 7. So the ones that I normally use are these. If it's an even number, it must be divided by divisible by 2. Well, if it ends with 5, it's an odd number, most likely it's divisible by 5. If it ends with 0, most likely it can be divided by 2, can be divided by 5, also can be divided by 10. Okay, the rest of it, if it is an odd number, depending on what's the number at the back, most likely can be divisible by 3. If it can be divisible by 5. So all of the other divisibility tests, you can use it. Well, not mandatory. What you can actually do is you can try an error using your calculator to see if it's divisible or not. But this is just a simpler way to tell you how a number can be checked whether if it's divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So apparently you can actually go through in the internet to investigate what is something interesting about multiples of 7. So if you just look in the internet, you can see how the multiple of 7 arrange the last number or how it actually works. There's no simple test to see if it's divisible by 7. So if you're curious about it, you can just immediately try to use your calculator to divide it by 7. So this divisibility test is to say that a certain number can be completely divided by, well, the following numbers here. These are the ones that I normally use. So I just use trial and error after that. Nothing much here, but this should help you to complete your exercise 1.10 of your mathematics course book.